I have found the best combination of lasers and tripods on all of Amazon, and it is this 360-degree self-leveling laser level from ASOBRIS. Whether you're a professional builder needing straight walls or just a DIYer wanting straight picture frames and symmetrical decorations, this is the perfect tool for that and at the perfect value.
Straight out of the box, you'll notice this isn't a cheap toy. It's durable and coated in a heavy rubber, which came into play when I dropped it across the floor while walking through the house. But it came out unscathed, and you can rest knowing it successfully passed an inadvertent drop test as well. But more on that later.
The tripod that comes with the laser is just as practical and useful as the actual laser, but the tripod is pretty universal, so you can use it for cameras, cell phones, ring lights, lasers. It's a strong aluminum, but lightweight and compact enough to not be too bulky or too clunky.
With the neck fully extended, it can reach over 39 inches or a little bit more than 3 feet. The quick release plate is what you will attach and detach your accessories to. Again, in this instance, we'll be screwing on the laser level, and you can see it's just that simple. Screw it to the plate and reattach it to the tripod. It's the same threading that really makes it widely popular and able to be used with so many standard gadgets. It's about 4 inches by 4 inches, fits in the palm of your hand, and is easily transportable with the carrying case. The magnetic L-shaped bracket comes with it. It allows for an attachment to metal surfaces and turns the laser level around at 360 degrees so you can spin it multiple directions. It offers horizontal and vertical lasers either independent of each other or simultaneously. It offers a locked mode as well as the self-leveling mode. Self-leveling simply ensures that whatever terrain or slope of the ground you're on, your line will be perfectly horizontal or perfectly vertical.
When the laser is in the locked position, you can move the beam in any direction that you want without any interference. When you're in the self-leveling mode, if you're not on a level enough ground, the beam is going to blink repeatedly like this. However, there is a degree of tolerance to where it doesn't have to be exactly on straight ground or level ground in order for it to still work. But when you get out of that degree of tolerance, it does start to blink like this, and you will know it.
Locking it allows you to hang pictures, decorations, staircase handrails, or anything else you may need, both straight or at an angle. Just hold the top left button for 3 seconds to lock the laser line at any angle in manual mode. It runs off 4 AA batteries, which don't require any screwdriver or tools to open up to replace. It has an enhanced laser that also allows you to get a full 360-degree horizontal line around the room, as well as a 120-degree vertical line from the floor to the ceiling. Has a range of an incredible 82 feet, and it has an accuracy of 0.03 inches. Yes, that's right, 0.03 inches is how accurate this laser line is. It comes with 3 different brightness levels, low, medium, and high, and has the pulse mode, which allows the beam to work with a laser receiver, which is for bright lights or really in the sunlight when it's hard to see that light. I mentioned dropping it earlier and that nothing had happened to it, but if something did happen to it, each laser level from ASOBRIS comes with a 1-year free exchange and lifetime warranty. So if anything had happened to it, don't hesitate to give them a call, send them an email, get in touch with them. They will replace it, which I think is awesome. The tripod has 2 bubble levels, one circular one to ensure that the tripod as a whole is balanced and level before you make any adjustments, as well as another level on the rocker to ensure that even if the tripod isn't on level ground, you can still get a level laser or your camera can still be level.
Sometimes it can be tough to get the exact height that you need by using the leg stand for measurements and for adjustments, but this feature right here allows you to make tiny micro adjustments so that you can get it exactly where you need and then lock the collar this way and then go make your measurements, take your line, do your cut, whatever you need to do.
When this is loose, you have the ability to move this in multiple directions, but then when you tighten it, you can lock it in place wherever you need it. It spins in this direction as well, but when you tighten this, you can lock it in place.
As you saw, the rocker moves 360 degrees horizontally, as well as 180 degrees up and down, and then another 90 degrees from left to right, as you see here. That's so you can lock it in place at different angles. What I really love are the feet and how durable they are. My old tripod stand and the rubber grommets all broke off within a few weeks, and then I had to worry about it scratching the surface of anything. The buckles are also incredibly durable and firm, not like those cheap plastic ones, again, from my old one that broke and now don't lock. But I digress. Overall, I do believe this is the best value laser level on Amazon, hands down. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. These make an excellent gift, and I truly don't think you'll go wrong with them. I hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.